Nigerian has a point here.
Or better still, I think you should confront Chief.
No, I can't.
I cannot confront Chief. It's Chief. I can't. Why would I do that? Okay, you know what? Let me just wait for her to get back from Lagos. Then we can... I don't know.
Okay. Well, ease your stress, girl. Drink up. Kubana is all yours. You don't have to bother yourself, you know?
No, my in-law. I do not mean it that way. I do not mean it that way. How do you mean it, then? What is your intention for sending her to school? Who blood to came from? A very good one for that matter. It is obvious that we are came here to discuss this thing. Don't see it that way. Sometimes, a woman can be the breadwinner of the family. It doesn't matter who said the thing. The point is that the food, you have to eat first and be satisfied and ready. Let me hold on. Let me call her now. Here and now. Yes. So I'll talk to her. Let me settle this matter once and for all. Hello, my daughter.
Papa, good afternoon, sir.
Where are you? Because I'm hearing sounds of vehicles. I think you're on the road.
Papa, I'm fine. Hope you and Mama are doing well.
Yeah, okay. I called you in respect of your marriage and your husband's opinion towards your new job in Abuja.
Oh, Tony is already there? He's there?
Yes, he's here with me.
What is Tony doing there? What is he doing there? See, Papa, hope it's not what I am thinking. It better not be what I am thinking.
My daughter, where are you now? Because I'm hearing the sound of vehicles as if you are on the road.
Papa, I believe Mama is there with you. Please, you people should listen to me. Don't mind that idiot, that self-centered man called Tony. Don't answer him. He's a wicked man. Yes. See, Papa, he's an enemy of progress. He wants anything he says to be like that. Because he believes the world rotates around him. Makagini. He is wicked. He's selfish. He's self-centered. See, Papa, as I speak to you right now, I am already on my way to Abuja. Driver, then you fire this car for me. Can you put it here? I am on my way to Abuja, yes.
Stella.
Who they talk? Who they breathe for this food? Who they breathe? What nonsense? Please. Pick up. Put on my phone. Nonsense. Wicked man. Self-centered. Very wicked. Hopeless man. And I'm not fair. Driver, you are not speeding. I don't understand what you're doing. I don't understand. Can you make one now? Please be going. Very wicked man. Hopeless.
Yes, so, sister, this is exactly what is happening in my life now, in my marriage.
You mean Stella said all this to you?
Not just that. Not just that. Do you know that Stella looked at me and told me that I should abandon my business? I even forget about all those my customers, everything that I've worked for in Lagos, that I should abandon it and follow her to Abuja, that she will give me a better job. Can you imagine?
Wonders, they say, they never end.
will never end.
So Stella can be this mean. Stella said you should abandon your business and follow her to Abuja so that she can turn you into an errand boy. Any day you challenge her, she will throw you out of the house. Or better still, kill you.
Exactly my point. That is my point.
Hey, Chimo.
Moi, Tony. No.
Okay. This one. Have you reported to her parents?
Of course.
And what did they say?
Just yesterday, I went to their village. I spoke with her parents. With everything that I said to those people, do you know what? Do you know that those people supported their daughter? As a matter of fact, they told me that their daughter has been suffering in my hands all this while. That my business has crumbled. I cannot do anything for her. Now that she has gone to seek greener pasture, that if I want to live a better life, I should follow their daughter and go to Abuja. So she can give me a better job. Can you imagine that? Eh? All those what I spent with those people, all those hours I spent there, they never even asked after the light. They didn't even say, how is the light?
It's okay. Please.
What is it? For the last 2-3 weeks now, it's me. I'm not just looking after this boy. Do you everything for him? Those people don't have heart.
It's okay.
They don't have heart.
It's okay. Please. I am not surprised. But this is not time for you to cry. I remember I told you not to train that girl in school. That wicked and heartless Stella. You refused. You did not listen to me. Rather, you told me that you want your wife to be a graduate. Have you seen the results of being a graduate? That Stella is ungrateful human being. Stella does not want it.
Sister. This is not the time to start pushing blames at me now. I'm going to back.
Stella, please. Stella, you caused this pain to my brother. Stella.
Those people don't have heart.
It's okay. It's okay. When you called me and told me everything, what I had in mind is that when I come, I'll take the light with me. Yes. I will run him in the same school with my son. Baby, are you going to follow me? Good. That's my baby. Come here. I love you. You will follow me to my house, eh? Good. We'll go inside now and pack your things. We'll go. Brother, I will take the light with me to enable you to put yourself together and face your business. I believe. I know the God I'm serving. And I believe that one day, this man in heaven will help you to bounce back. More than before.
Amen.
You will. Amen. But one thing you will do for me, I don't want to see your tears again. No. Forget all about what you've done to Stella. Let her go. Let her be. Put yourself together. It's okay. I don't want to see you cry for anything. Let's go inside. Oh!
Hey, Monica! Monica, me! For this house, Monica, you bought me water for this house. Monica, you bought me water for this house, eh? Me went with David, team instructor, professor team instructor. Monica, they send you message, they need and they need. Oh, Monica, see, eh? This your stupid jazz maker for this house. You know that they oppress me for this house. Monica, I dey work for this, so don't come here, Tito.
I therefore my post, I don't hear backwards. I don't make a change. I don't say you just go through for my
Now, security post. I mean, you don't know your work again for this house.
You're not going to be quiet. Yeah, what did you want you?
Eh? You better say no one in this house. You better say no one shop.
So they don't say you don't carry that poor madam boyfriend. You can't get out. When they come. What did you want you?
Madam Bika, for this house, the old don't go. In fact, you don't.
No face.
Come now. Come.
Put it on my plate. Oh my damn. Good. I put them. Next time, put small bleach. And bleach. It will make sense. After this one, you go not say, you know.
Come on, press again. I mean, child. One friend, one friend.
Can you imagine that this so-called Monica is not getting anything right again in this house?
What happened?
The other day, ordinary to cook food. She prepared the food and the food was salty. And today she was washing at the backyard. I was passing through there, I discovered that the clothes was not properly washed. Now I confronted her. Do you know what this girl did?
What did
she has the guts to pour soap water on me.
She did what?
She poured soap water on me.
She poured soap water on you?
Yes.
Monica! Come here. Good evening, ma. Come. Good evening, madam. Good evening, Bogi. Good evening, Mawadon. Did you pour water on my man? I said, did you pour water on David? But what? It's a yes or no. Did you pour him water?
Madam, yes, I did pour water, but
You pour my man water in my house.
sorry, madam.
Okay, Monica, that's fine. Tomorrow morning, you pack your things.
Madam.
And do not forget to take your paycheck from David.
Madam, sorry. I will iron, I will wash, I will do everything. Madam, I use God's name, beg you. This thing don't be no beg,
Leave my presence, please.
Madam, I beg you. Madam, because.
Madam, please now, please, I'm begging now. The only job I get is this. Very good, that's it, Mama, please get me.
Hey, madam, please, oh. Madam, please. Say, madam, I beg you, no go play again.
Leave my presence.
Now mistake I was for. Now mistake I was for, madam. Madam, I didn't take out mistake.
How dare you?
Madam, sorry.
Okay, baby.
What should she pour water on you?
Babe, I'm fine.
Tomorrow morning, you just get me another parcel.
Of course, you know I'll do that. See, I love this so
Honorable, now listen to me. Throw this thing out from this house now. I said throw her out of this house.
Can you give this order?
Listen to me. I said throw her out of this house now. And you're calling me Oga.
Who give order?
You're asking me a question. Eh? I said, come. Get out. Fine boy like this, David. When they call you no gree. I said throw her out from this house now. Now.
This one a national order. Presidential law. The presidential law is saying madam.
Wait, are you over saying her? Eh?
Come make I carry you come out for here.
You touch my breast, what do you say?
I want you to not to touch your breast. Now your breast is very important. I been at the come out when they say when you come out.
I'm not taking that
Come
break.
out.
I beg. Okay, David, oh yeah, come to.
Come do it.
I beg.
Come talk.
No, come to. It is fine. Like
Are you over saying her?
like this.
Eh?
Okay, David, like this.
She said I play with the play for ya. She said I joke with the joke for ya. Come out outside, you know.
Like this.
They do you now.
It is fine.
Go outside, make I talk to madam. Come up for ya. She said I play here. They can't take like this. They take like this. Oga, not everybody in the sack.
Hey, listen.
Sack not for everybody.
Listen to me, my friend, listen to me. Come in.
Come where?
Get up.
Make I even go talk to madam. As if you get final say.
Look at this one. Rubbish. I tell you, fine boy like me, David. Listen, I dey call you, no gree. I dey send you text, you dey read and delete. Now you've seen it. Rubbish. Come on, get up.
Wonders the saint shall never end. Brother. Oh boy, you mean your wife returned from Abuja after NYC camp? They told you all this. This is exactly where I found myself. Wait. They need you to report out to your parents. I don't even want to hear of those people. Those ones I don't even want to hear their name at all. Those people are very, very useless people. Those useless people have the mind to tell me the only alternative I have, I should follow their daughter go Abuja. Are they okay? That in fact, my shop has crumbled. Can you imagine that? Those people, I put the wonder to myself, don't ask this at myself like, is it not the same Tony that I used to give them, help them go over the place here? The same Tony that sent their daughter to school, now they are telling me, authorizing me to follow their daughter to Abuja as if I'm I'm one servant because I married their daughter.
No. You know if you use that as option for waiting. But if you love your life, you know if you do that.
My brother, I'm not stupid.
Otherwise, my brother, even Joe where the Bible said, story will be better than your own.
I'm not a stupid man. I'm not a stupid man. In fact, as a matter of fact, I denounced that in front of her parents.
Better now. Better. Waiting.
Very good.
In as much I don't like to put my mouth in people's marital affairs. But this one, but when you try. But these people wanted to destroy your whole life. Now just God kept you. That reminds me, how's your son?
Man, the lad is doing very well. He's doing very well. My sister came and took him to her house. And she said that she will explain everything to her husband. I will go the offering to
that one nice now. That one nice. My brother, it's just a matter of time you overcome this thing.
Can you imagine?
Overcome it.
Tony should become a servant.
You can't.
God.
You can't. You subject yourself to that.
If not for this, there's useless daughter that goes to college to this. My shop.
Your shop would have been better now.
Bigger than this.
I didn't tell you before now. What a woman or a woman.
What is going on? You won't understand. Don't even deny it because Chief did not. I still don't get it. So you're now rolling with my man, Cubana dollars. Huh? Oh, that. It's not my fault. Really finds me attractive. Oh my God. He finds you attractive. Go pick your rags and leave my house. You after one. After one? Yes, that's what you are. It's quite shameful if that's the only insult you can render. Yes, after one. But I'm hot. I'm sexy, I'm classy, I'm getting it. I'm attractive. If you think it's that easy, drop one and see if you can even attract your security man. No way, darling. So, and I will go in there, pick my rags, just as you've said. So you think you're getting it? Of course. But don't forget, now me, the high, but now you the zuzu. Stella! This is why help is gone. No one helps anybody anymore. People don't render help anymore. But we'll see.
Babe, what's happened? You angrily left the stage. Did anyone get you angry?
No, nothing. Wait, is you only me or are those guys out there broke? Those customers? They are broke. I think they are broke.
All of them are broke ass niggas. So. Notice it as well.
No, I can't.
What are you both doing here? Have you made enough money today? Even if you have made enough money, don't you think my customers need to be entertained? That is what you are being paid for. Besides, I want all the rooms in this hotel to be fully booked.
In as much as you want your rooms to be fully booked, sir, I deserve a fat check too.
Yes.
Your customers are broke, can't you see? I've been dancing for God knows how long and nobody, no single person came to encourage me.
We share the same view.
But your customers are broke. I've been dancing there for God knows how long and nobody came to encourage me. The bargain comes from both sides, in case you've forgotten. Listen, sir, no offense. We need real men. Am I speaking your mind?
Of course, Ryder.
Men with the money, men with the dollars. Not boys. We need men. Real men, not boys. Excuse me.
You heard her. Men, that's what we need.
Well, if that is the case, no problem.